Hello everyone! So surely when you extensively use artificial intelligence to write content for your website or your blog, you will inevitably encounter a significant problem. That is to say, artificial intelligence, or AI, will not be adequately equipped to fully comprehend the specific product or the particular service that you are currently offering. As a direct consequence, the various articles and pieces of content meticulously written by AI will not be precisely tailored to the unique requirements and distinct characteristics of your individual website. Instead, they will very often tend to concentrate on rather generic content that is quite similar to that which is produced by your direct competitors or other entities who happen to share your primary keyword group. So today I will use AIKTP to guide you on how to provide additional knowledge to AI, helping it when writing articles for you to not only include general information but also try to incorporate more information from your website. For example, things like your writing style or information about the products and services you offer can be added to the article, making your writing clearer and more closely related to your products and services. Here is a sample article that I used AIKTP to write. In this article, you'll see that the AI mentions KTB's products and services. For example, here you can see it refers to one of KTB's tools, or if you scroll down, you'll also see it mentions another tool. And the parts that the AI mentions are completely relevant to the content it is writing about. It will automatically insert a link so that I can open it for you to see. There, it will link to the appropriate products and services. This is also another article. For example, it will also link to the products and services provided by KTB AI. Of course, if you use your own website and your own product information, then this link will definitely point to your products and services. So let's find out together how to configure it so that AI can automatically add product and service information to the article when writing. To do that, AIKTP provides a feature in the configuration section. You can click on the knowledge configuration section, and when you go into the knowledge configuration, you can set it up for each different domain. For example, earlier I configured it for the domain KTB, aiktb.com. You can see in the configuration that I will provide the product names, a brief description of the product, and the product link. After that, I meticulously separate them, and for another significant feature, I carefully add a comprehensive description of that particular feature and also include a direct link to it. When I provide the information like that, the AI will understand and add the necessary details to the article if the article is related to the product or to the feature described in the knowledge section. You can also store many different types of knowledge here. For example, contact information or links to your most important products or services. For instance, purchase information. Or for instance, detailed information about your various contact channels, such as your prominent social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, which are essential for modern communication. When you provide this information, the AI will automatically learn and incorporate this content into your writing, making your articles more closely connected to your products and services. So after you add it, you'll click the Save button to save the configuration, and when you write an article, I'll demonstrate one with the configuration and one without, so you can see the difference. For example, with this domain, I haven't set up any configuration, so I'll demo two articles for those two domains. So I'll choose the feature to write based on keywords. This is a feature that's quite popular and used by many people. So I'll open two tabs. Now I will demonstrate a particular topic using these two distinct tabs within the interface. One tab will be for the topic. I'll paste the topic here. Since KTB is a website related to content and AI, I'll choose a topic like that. I'll configure these two the same way, but one will be for the site where I've already set up the knowledge base, and the other will be for the site where I haven't set up the knowledge base yet. So on both sides, one with the knowledge base configured and one without, I'll click Write. Then, the AI will meticulously proceed to analyze the specific keyword I provided and subsequently generate a comprehensive article with a primary focus on effective SEO optimization. And in this particular article, as it is being written, it will diligently search for relevant content that precisely matches the specific products I've already added, and it will then automatically and seamlessly insert those appropriate links. As you can see here, it inserts the link to the product that I put into the knowledge base. You can see here it adds links related to the article. Only the products related to these articles are inserted, not all the products you add. For example, you might add 20 or 30 products. For instance, earlier I added a lot of products, as you can see. These are the products I added, and there are a lot of them, but it only selects the products that are related to the keywords or the content you wrote to include. And secondly, for websites that do not provide any specific knowledge or relevant information, the AI will then proceed to write based entirely on its own extensive internal data and consequently will not have any direct connection with that website or with the products and services of that website. So you understand that when we set up internal links, the quality of our articles will improve and the optimization of the content on your site will also be better. This leads to your website and content being more easily indexed by Google and ranked higher. Hopefully, through this tutorial, you have grasped the knowledge as well as how to configure so that AI can write articles with better depth, focusing more on your products and services. Goodbye and see you again in other tutorial videos from AIKTP.